God, that hurt my fuck.
Power.
Nasty! Oh, he lost it! He got it! He got it! No!
He was there.
Go! Come on, Colby! Go, Colby! Colby tractoring up. Oh, you fucked up. Low band. They might have turned the throttle curve on Eco and messed with that. I'm not even sure. You know what I mean? I can look at the throttle curve. We're chilling. It's not horrible. Yeah, that winch is nice. Yeah, I like this one. Yeah, me and St. Clair were here last week, you know, on Monday. And yeah. Nice. We went up that hill and then we bypassed that hill that we tried last, those one guys are doing.
Yeah.
That you and Colby did. But I got the main one on the Talaria pretty good. I don't know, you feel like today'd be the day you see how many fucking people are out here. Big bush. Another big bush. I went right into it to assert my dominance. I had one of my falls through here too where it's like I fell right in the middle. And there's just cactus on both sides, and luckily I didn't get any cactus in me.
Oh my God, that's lucky.
I was literally wearing my Vince Carter jersey, so I had sleeveless on.
Oh fuck. Dude, you're asking for it, huh?
I know.
A little bit.
Not a lot of it.
That was good for you or no?
No, it wasn't good. I almost didn't get that hill for a second. That's why I said to switch it. Ooh, then just go if you need to. That wasn't even a big hill. No. So in big hills, you're gonna have to switch to sport for sure.
You have to tell the controller, like, we're going to be running whatever.
72 volt battery, and yeah. Switch it. Do like a recalibration. Clear. You guys said there was a group of like 15 bikes?
Yeah, dude.
Huh. I wonder if they were doing like a fucking, like a guided tour or something. You going sport camera or you trying to eco? Eco.
Oh yeah, what the hell? You just came up together?
We squatted up.
Nice. That looks fun a little bit, but...
What? To the right.
The one on the right.
Oh, yeah, Jesus.
Looks hard.
Go, go, go. Let's tap Colby's tire with my tire ready.
Little, yeah, right, brother.
You want to follow me, Colby?
Sure.
Or what?
Do it. No,
Or you? You follow him?
Go.
Yeah.
You
You want me to follow you?
Yeah.
Alright.
Ready?
Yeah.
Going second gear, third gear.
Am I waiting or going?
I'll wait. There you go.
Nice.
Oh, I fucked you. I'm sorry.
You're good.
Oh,
That
I'm not
was-
getting it.
That was hard, dude.
Having, whatever. Did you just mess it up, Cam?
Yeah, go ahead.
Just come back again.
No, I want to get you from here.
Okay.
It's so steep, dude. I swear it's gotten steeper.
I just fucked up on those hills right there. I didn't give it enough gas on those. Gas, 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 gas. Steep it. Nice, nice, nice. Go, go, go. Hell yeah.
Power, baby. Oh, that was...
Ah, fuck that. Fuck that hurt my fuck.
Yeah!
Hell yeah.
Get at me! Get at me, son!
I'll follow you.
Crushes.
You gonna try this one on the right again, Cam?
No. I'm just gonna try to go. So easy, dude. I'm telling you, you'll crush it. It's in sport right now. It feels great.
Okay. Throttle's live.
Bottle's alive.
Can I follow, dude?
Dude, I'm gonna eat shit, Colby.
I'll do a follow cam, bro. Follow cam on Zach on the Talaria.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Hang on, I'm turning up.
Be careful. It likes
Just
to
careful
go.
going downhill. It's a little sketchy. You gotta sit on the back and
Back brake's amazing. Front brake's pretty
kinda shit.
decent.
This is back brake, right?
yeah.
Yeah,
Mhm.
yeah, yeah.
Okay. Alright, Colby, you ready?
Yes.
I'm probably gonna fail and you fucking...
No, you're not. You're gonna send it. Let's
You're
go.
gonna get screwed over.
You're okay.
Oh my
Both
God.
race, both race, both race.
No, yeah, down.
Yep.
You gotta hold both the down, going down.
Yeah.
That back one just makes you slide.
And there you go. Live.
Get on it, Zach.
Through that corner, through that corner. Go, go, go. He's going, he's going. He's nasty. Oh, he lost it. He got it. He got it. No,
was there.
Let's go.
Come on, Colby.
Go, Colby.
Colby tractoring up. Oh, you fucked him.
You fucked him. You can set the bike
Yeah,
down.
just throw the Talaria down so you can help.
No,
Colby.
you're good. Now I'd like to see what your heart monitor would say.
Yep.
It's rocketing. Colby
Okay.
has to fall backwards almost.
But I'm not gonna lie, that
I gotta come
Talaria
up
with the
there.
battery right there looks sick.
Okay.
Ride the Talaria down, Colby.
Hold the brake.
Okay. I got the front brake.
I got it. Thank you, sir.
Take a sec.
Yeah. The worst part is having to fucking get back on and flip it around.
How bad was that on the Talaria? Is that pretty easy?
Pretty good, man.
We just You overspun the tires like one time at the top? Was that what it was? It kind of made you mess up, or?
I think so, yeah. I just failed technique basically.
Yeah. Hey, welcome to my world.
I went into this soft shit.
Yeah. You still almost had it though.
I know, I thought you had.
This one's super easy on the.
I don't know how.
This one's so easy. It's so good.
Allegedly.
Yeah, you can literally you can sit down and just throttle. You're chilling. I'll just. It'll go right up.
Oh, he's ripping.
How
Okay.
easy is that?
I don't understand how that one's so much easier.
Doesn't this thing feel like a?
It felt very
It's
fun.
stupid.
That was very fun, dude.
Yeah, weight on the back. That's why we
Well, that was a
probably
little
need to
bit of
do
luck.
we could do a 16 on the back, 19 on the front, so we can do like a fatter back tire.
Yeah. I don't even think that's it anymore. I think it's a weight thing, Matt.
Yeah, okay.
But when you fall on the hill, it's nice when it's light.
No, for sure.
Oh yeah. Go, keep going. Nice. Nice. You left off on the throttle.
It's because I was coming right at this rock.
Nice, Colby.
Fuck yeah.
Oh, that was nice.
Sit down. Keep going.
Oh yeah, Robert. Everything.
Oh, there go, Robert. Grind it out. Nice, dude.
Oh.
That was good.
Colby's coming through the snow. You guys